The Brave Little Kite by Catherine. I never can do it, the little kite said. Though these are the words of whom? The little kite. What's the little kite expressing? That I can't do it. As he looked at the others high over his head. When the little kite saw other kites flying high up in the sky. I know I should fall if I try to fly. If I will try, I will fall down. Try, said the big kite, only try. But the big kite said, try, try. See, children, when we start something, we learn. It is not that we are perfect, we have to try and try. If we suppose when we are small, we are riding a bicycle, we'll fall down once, we will get hurt, again we will try, then again next day we will try. Then only we are perfect in riding a bicycle. But the little kite said, I am afraid I will fall. The big kite nodded. The big kite said, yes. Ah, well, goodbye. Then, okay, goodbye. Shook the head. The big kite nodded and shook the head up and down in agreement. Yes. Ah, well, goodbye. Then, okay, goodbye. I'm off. I'm going. And he rose towards a tranquil sky. And the big kite flew up. Tranquil means calm and peaceful sky. And then the little sky paper stirred at the side. And little sky paper stirred means moved little bit. And trembling and shaking with fear, shook himself free for flight and was ready to fly. First, whirling means to move in a circle. The little kite moved in a circle and frightened, scared, and then brave, and afterwards gathered courage. Up he rose through the air alone, and the little kite, with the courage, rose up in the sky till the big kite, looking down, could see. And when the big kite from up could see the little one rising steadily, and little kite was rising up firmly. Steadily means firmly. Turn the page. Then how little kite thrilled with pride, and little kite was happy, excited, as he sailed with the big kite side by side. Why? Because now the little kite was sailing here, see, with this big kite, while far below he could see the ground, and from up below the ground, the boys looked like small spot moving around. When we are up in the sky, all things appear too small from up. They rested high in the quiet air. They means that the kites rested up in the air, and the air was up quiet, and only the birds and clouds were there. And who were there? Birds and clouds. Oh, how happy I am! See the excitement of the little kite. How happy I am! The little kite cried, and all because I was brave and tried. Why? Because little kite gathered the courage to fly up in the sky, and I tried. So, children, in life we have to try and try until we succeed. It is not that we are perfect. We have, for our perfection, we have to try.